When you open your mind to the impossible, sometimes you find the truth. Builderall is the most complete and affordable digital marketing platform. That is why most people think there is a catch. So, a free trial is the solution.
Hello and welcome to another one of our videos. In this tutorial, we're going over a quick overview of the new Builderall Business Dashboard. So here on the main panel, you can see the status of your Builderall account, as well as your affiliate link, and you can copy by clicking here. We also have money amounts here, pending review, available, requested, and paid. So this is the amount paid in terms of money. This is the amount requested, amount available, and the amount pending. Okay, so these two progress bars are expected earnings. This is the expected earnings from the Entrepreneur Challenge when all the leaders activate their accounts. And this is the expected recurring earnings when all the entrepreneurs and clients once they have their accounts active, it'll be shown here. On the right, I can see my connections, and here I can see all the active, inactive, and test connections I have. Since I only have 2 leads, and those 2 are going through the 7-day free trial, they're marked as tests. So if I hover over this button, I'll be able to see that they're going through a test process. Okay, and here on the left, I have some quick links for each one of these features here on your left, and I'll be going over each one of them. If I scroll a little bit down, I'll see a graph, which is the referring graph. I can also see all the URLs I have, how many clicks it has gotten, and how many people registered through that link. Okay, and I can also analyze from a 1 day, 1 month, or 1 year perspective here. This is how it should populate and how your graph should look like. If I scroll a little bit further, I'll be able to see the top affiliates today, this week, and all time. If I scroll a little bit up, I'll show you guys step by step each one of these buttons. So I'll start by clicking on the 1 million Entrepreneur Challenge. So here I can see the 1 million Entrepreneur Challenge. This is a quick video that explains how it's going to work, and the goal of this challenge is to make you your first $1,000 using the Builderall platform. Okay, so once you complete all the steps, enter the leaders' names, you can see how far you've come, how close to your $1,000 mark you are, and everything in between. Okay, alright, so once I'm here back to my Builderall Business Dashboard, I can go ahead and click on training to access the 90-day challenge, and I can also access this by clicking here on training and then clicking on basic if this is your first time accessing the training. So once I clicked on it, I'll be redirected to this page, the Builderall 90-day challenge. This is a step-by-step lesson library that lets you understand a little bit of how you can use the Builderall platform to leverage your business and make money from promoting the platform. You also have tips and how to work with tools such as Facebook and YouTube. So it's really valuable information that you should be using if you plan on promoting Builderall and making money out of it. Okay, so back to my dashboard, I can see the message center as well. And if I click on this, or if I click on message center here on my left, I'll be redirected to this page. The message center is an automated way you can communicate with any of your leads. So if you want to communicate with all of your leads, all you gotta do is just click here, and this tag will be automatically added to your message. Okay, you can also sort by active leads, inactive leads, Builderall business leads, and so forth. You can write a subject, a message, a title for the action button, as well as a URL, And you can set up automatic translation as well as a notification for all those leads I'll be receiving this message, okay? And you can also send this through email. So once again, I'm back to my Builderall Business Dashboard. I can go ahead and click on Quick Start and I'll come to this page. It's a step-by-step process where you'll learn how the platform works, how the Builderall Business System works, how you can make money out of it, and how to connect your domain, how to set up funnels and links, as well as get access to the videos we have. You can use those videos for ads, and you'll also learn how to do paid advertisement in case you need traffic, okay? I can also click on money making funnels, and I can access this by clicking here on the left as well. Money making funnels are pre-made funnels that are designed to assist you in your process of collecting leads and making sales. So you can change the language of your funnels by clicking here. You can also sort by category by clicking here. You can set up a different link, such as your website here. You can use a shorter URL with this tool. You can connect your domain by following these instructions and then just clicking on save. And you can also see the DNS propagation status, which will enable you to see if your domain has been linked, which usually takes some time to happen. Once your domain is connected, you can also set up emails, okay? And of course, you can use the search bar to filter the funnel you're looking for and find it in a more efficient way. You can also visualize your earnings. By clicking this, I'll be able to see the new earnings tab. As you can see, I can see the total amount of money I have on hold, available, requested, and paid. And I can also click here to withdraw a portion of the total or the total amount of money available for me. I can also see the amount of money that's coming from 100% commissions, 30% commissions from the first year, as well as the commissions from the second year. I'll also see all the clients I have here on this tab, but since I don't have any, you guys won't be able to see. And it is extremely important to fill out the tax forms, which we'll cover shortly, before you actually request to withdraw money, okay? Now I'll come here and click on the business community. The business community is a place where entrepreneurs from all over the world can share their resources, share courses, books, and everything that they know in order to. The Builderall Business Community is a marketplace where entrepreneurs from all over the world can upload their resources, their ebooks, their courses, and help other entrepreneurs inside Builderall to obtain their goals. The Builderall Business Community is a place where entrepreneurs can share their courses, ebooks, and resources, make some money off of it, and also help. The Builderall Business Community is a place where entrepreneurs can share what they have best, such as resources. Não é tão difícil assim. Não é tão difícil. The Builderall Business Community is a place where entrepreneurs can share all their knowledge, resources, ebooks, courses, and so forth with other entrepreneurs and also make some money off of it. We also have the Your Leads tab, which is a place where you can see all the leads you have. You can see the status, where it came from, sign up date, the email, name, and ID. For each one of those leads, you can also save to a certain email list, and you can also filter based on various status here available for you. If you click on lead tree, you see a collection of all the leads you have, and of course you can sort them based on whether they're active or not, or whether they're going through a test period or not. So since all the leads I have here are going through a 7-day trial, which is free. If I click here, you won't be able to see any other leads because I don't have any, but if I had a active and inactive leads, you would be able to see them here, okay? And I can also click this to toggle my lead tree on and off, okay? By clicking on weekly webinar, I'll be able to see the affiliates weekly webinar, which is a weekly recorded webinar designed to help affiliates with whatever's newest inside the platform in terms of resources, new tools, funnels, and everything you need to leverage your business. If I click on pixel configuration, I'll be able to see a script where I can paste codes such as the Facebook pixel code to track the conversion process of a certain sales funnel. This is extremely important in order for you to keep track of how your funnel is performing. If I click here on text forms, I'll see the text form page, which is an essential page for you to fill out before you can take any money out of your earnings, okay? So if you are a US resident, you should fill out this form, but in case you're not, we also have 2 other forms that can be filled out, okay? Once the form is filled out, you can click here on send signature request, and then you'll be able to collect all your earnings from your account. I can also, by clicking on the earnings calculator, make an estimate of how much money I would make inside Builderall within in a certain scenario. I can also click on general rules to see all the rules of use of this platform, as well as click here on iOS/Android app based on what operating system my phone has, and download the Builderall Business app to track your earnings, to track the amount you have available, and so forth. So this is the new Builderall Business dashboard. I appreciate your attention, and I'll see you guys soon.